What are you doing? You're planning to get up? Guys, this is Leo. He's looking at this window because it's open. I think he planned to go out, right, Leo? You want to go out? No, you're not allowed. Or else your mom will kill me. Joke. So guys, this is Leo, pasaway. Leo. Leo. Go. Go. Leo, you know I'm cleaning. I'm changing bed sheets. Come on, go inside. Go there, Leo. Would you mind, sir? Sir. Leo, you're disturbing my work. Go. Say bye.